So I was just doing some research on, good calendar designs online, and I actually came across this one, which actually looked quite good to me. This is basically for a hair salon. As you can see, book your appointment, men's haircut. So I was just wondering if it's possible for me to recreate it in AI Studio. So I basically took a screenshot or, just copied this image and went to AI Studio, literally pasted it there and said, build a hair salon booking page with this calendar. The calendar must be pixel perfect to the attached screenshot. And then here's the output. Now, this is actually looking quite good. I'm not sure if it's functioning yet, but let's see. So if I refresh this, so that's literally the prompt of that I did, right? It's just attach this screenshot or the image of the calendar, build a hair salon booking page with this calendar. The calendar must be pixel perfect. Okay, that's fine. Once this is created, the next message I'm going to receive from AI Studio is, what calendar do you want to connect it with? Now, this is a sub account, right? So this is my own sub account, and I have a few calendars here. So it's my own sub account, by the way, I'm using. So we've got a few calendars over here, right? Now, the only one that's not paid is this one, book a call with me, all right? So that's why, so the other ones have payment gateways connected. That's why these are not being picked up by the AI Studio. So once the calendar is created in AI Studio, it will ask you, do you want to integrate it with one of your calendars? And I'll say yes, right? So this is the only calendar that it will say you can connect with. So let's connect it with that. Let's see. Okay, so this is the only calendar here. So we'll just hit connect. Now what will happen is AI Studio will go ahead and connect this calendar widget to my actual GoHighLevel calendar. Now, if I have any appointment confirmation reminder workflows set up for that calendar, and someone books an appointment with this one, this appointment will basically be populated in that calendar. That's the idea, really. So let's see if the connection goes through properly. Okay, so integrated now. See, so right now we don't have any available dates on Tuesday 19, but we have some more availabilities, and the page actually looks quite good. Now, because I integrated this AI Studio calendar with one of my existing GoHighLevel calendars, it's picking up those dates that's available in that GHL calendar. All right. Now, if I just do this, it's going to continue the booking, and then it's going to show me the form and stuff, right? So that's basically how you can create anything, really. Like, sky's the limit, guys. Like, whatever you find over the internet, if it looks good to you, just copy this and then ask AI Studio or Claude or ChatGPT to recreate that for you. It's that easy nowadays.